Good afternoon, Davao City. Good afternoon, Philippines. Good afternoon, world. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is God Ventures. And after 2 long months of rest, I believe I am back this year, 2019, for my first ever surprise, which is the unboxing of the PlayStation 4. Of the PlayStation 4. So let me put everything that I bought first, and we're going to the unboxing. So first of all, when you order a NBA 2K19 bundle of PlayStation 4, you have a free 2K poster which features Giannis Antetokounmpo. Yeah, here it is. It will look nice in my wall right there at the back. And then after these 2K posters, we're moving on to the console, console. Okay, before that, the bundle comes with a free DualShock 4 wireless controller thanks to Sony's December to January 2 discount, which a total of 3,000 pesos, in which if you avail the NBA 2K19 bundle, you have a free DualShock 4 wireless controller and also the game itself for the total of 17,499 pesos. And that's what I have grabbed lately before the promo ended, and it's really worth it. Yeah. So up next is the NBA 2K19 console bundle, PS4 bundle. Okay, so first, it is the first box. It's not the original box. This is the original box of the PS4 console, and we're going to open this one. Yes, right here. And then I'm going to show you all the freebies and stuffs inside the PlayStation 4. Okay, we're up. So first, we have a free HDMI cord. Yes, you connect to your monitor and to your console. HDMI. Next one is the adapter, and if you do not have this universal adapter, you should buy one because it doesn't have a free adapter, and the outlet looks like this. Yes. Next is this is the charger for the DualShock 4 wireless controller. Free charger. Yeah, USB charger. It is the Android one, the universal one. So it is not hard to find. Then next one is the free DualShock 4 wireless controller. So since the promo has a free one, I have a total of 2 DualShock 4 wireless controller, which is really nice, especially for co-op games. Yeah. Next is the earphones, which also is a mic when you are gaming, and you can use this when you are recording your videos, your games, using the PS4 console. So I heard about this, and it has a really nice audio when you use this. You just connect this to your DualShock 4 wireless controller. At the bottom, it has a earphone plug. And we also have a free 3 months membership for the PlayStation Plus in order for us to play online PlayStation 4 multiplayer. Yes, it also includes free games, exclusive discounts, and online game saves. So yeah, and we also have free stickers, NBA 2K19 stickers. Yeah, ooh yeah. And to the console. Oops. Sorry. This is our free NBA 2K19 PS4 game, which comes with a bundle, of course. Yeah. Ooh. I also bought one game, which adds to my collection, so a total of 2 games now. Planning to buy more in the future. So this is the Uncharted The Collection, which features Drake's Fortune, Uncharted 2 Among Thieves, and Uncharted 3 Drake's Deception. So I look forward in capturing my gameplays in this game, and I'm going to upload it here in my YouTube channel. So watch out. So I'm gonna set up this console first, okay? And last but not the least, the PlayStation 4 console. Here it is. Yeah, the PlayStation 4 console. This is the slim one. Yes. Oh, it's so elegant. Yes. So we also have the manuals and quick start guides, and also the warranty is inside here. So I think that's all in the box. So I'm going to set my console first, and I'm going to play and upload my gameplays here on my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon. Bye.